Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. Basically, we are going to learn various technical terms or terminology used in a door and the window one by one. So let's start. First of all, door is a framework of a wood, steel, aluminium, glass fiber or the combination of these material that is fitted in an opening of a room that you can open and close to get in or out of the room or the buildings. Window is an opening made in a wall of a room to admit light and the air and enable those who are inside the room and want to look out of the room. Each framework of a door and the window consists of the various components like frame, shutter, head, sill, horn, stile, top rail, lock rail, bottom rail, intermediate or cross rail, panel, mullion, transom, hold fast, jamb, reveal, rivet, glazing bar and louvers. Now let's understand every component one by one. Frame is an assembly of a horizontal and the vertical member forming an enclosure to which the shutter are fixed. Shutter are the openable part of the door or the window. It is an assembly of a stile, panels and the rail. Head is the top or the uppermost horizontal part of a window or the door frame. Sill is the lowermost or the bottom horizontal part of a window frame. It is generally not provided in a door frame. If sill is provided in a door frame, it forms obstacle while entering or exiting to the room. Horn are the horizontal projection of the head and the sill of the frame to facilitate the fixing of the frame on the wall opening. The length of the horn is kept about 10 to 15 cm. Stile is the vertical outermost member of a shutter of a door or window. Top rail is the topmost horizontal member of a shutter. Lock rail is the middle horizontal member of a door shutter to which locking arrangement is fixed. Bottom rail is the lowermost horizontal member of a shutter. Intermediate or cross rails are the additional horizontal rails fixed between the top and the bottom rail of a shutter. A rail fixed between the top rail and the lock rail is called as the freeze rail. Panel is the area of a shutter enclosed between the adjacent rail. Mullion is the vertical member of a frame which is employed to subdivide a window or the door vertically. Transom is a horizontal member of a frame which is employed to subdivide a window opening horizontally. Hold fast are the mild steel flat section generally bent into a Z shape to fix or hold the frame to the opening. The horizontal length of the hold fast is kept about 20 cm and is embedded in the masonry. Jamb is the vertical wall face of an opening which supports the frame. Reveal is the external jamb of a door or the window opening at right angle to the wall face. Rivet is the depression made inside the frame to receive the shutter. Glazing bar is a special type of the frame made of a light section and designed to carry glass fitted in a shutter. Louvers is an inclined piece of a timber fixed within a frame. Louvers are provided in a window where vision is required to be prevented without affecting the ventilation system. Thank you for watching.